Imagine stepping out every morning with an aura that turns heads. It's not just your attire, it's the glow that exudes from well-nurtured skin. A fusion of nutrition and hydration that transforms your skin. Today, we're uncovering the magic ingredients that feed your skin, the hydration secrets that enhance your glow, and a skincare routine that's effortlessly remarkable. Today, we delve into an often overlooked facet of your style skincare. We're diving into 3 essential aspects of men's skincare that will leave you feeling refreshed and looking your absolute best. Before we dive in, let me share a fact. Your skin deserves attention. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling great. Feed for your skin. Your skin loves vitamins like a best friend. Incorporating skin-loving foods like carrots, walnuts, avocados, pumpkins, and tomatoes into your diet can work wonders. These foods are packed with antioxidants and nutrients that fuel your skin's radiance. Now let's talk about hydrate your skin. Dehydration isn't just about thirst. It's also about your skin's thirst for moisture. Aim for 3 to 4 liters of water per day. It's like giving your skin a refreshing drink from the inside out. Lastly, skincare routine. Think of it as your daily self-care ritual. Cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting. These are the core steps. Start with a gentle cleanser to cleanse away the day's impurities. Then, nourish your skin with a moisturizer to keep it soft and supple. Don't forget the sunblock. A small step, but a giant leap in protecting your skin from the sun's unforgiving rays. Understanding your skin type, oily, dry, or in between, is key to selecting the right products. Consistency is the name of the game. As we wrap up, remember that your skin is a canvas of self-expression. Treat it with the same care and attention you give your style.